Are you interested in learning a powerful design tool that can take your user interface design skills to the next level? Then this Figma for Beginners course is perfectly for you to start. This course is designed for anyone with little to no experience in Figma. Whether you're a complete beginner looking to learn the basics or someone who wants to brush up on their Figma knowledge, this course will provide you with a solid foundation in using Figma for UI design. There is no software requirements for this course. However, basic computer literacy and familiarity with design principles will be very helpful. Over the course of this comprehensive Figma training, we will be covering a wide range of topics, including what is Figma and its key benefits for UI design, how to set up your Figma account and navigate the interface. We'll learn how to install Figma desktop app for added functionality. In this same course, we will equally learn how to create files, how to use the properties panel and the layering of elements. We'll also learn how to design and work with frames, grids and guides, how to add and customize various shapes, how to use pen and pencil tools. We'll master how to use Boolean operations to manipulate and combine shapes effectively. We'll learn to create interactive buttons and reusable design components. In this same course, we'll explore the vast library of Figma plugins to extend your design capabilities. And at the end of it all, we'll learn how to export and share your designs for various uses. By the end of this course, you will be equipped with the skills and knowledge to confidently use Figma to create professional-looking UI designs. I am Dr. Rashid, a lecturer, a speaker, and a passionate YouTuber, and I'm going to be the instructor for this course. So are you ready to dive into the world of Figma? Let's get started.